Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 45 from 1.1 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So you're asked to sketch this function, and we have to remember that the absolute value of x is x if x is greater or equal to 0, or negative x if x is less than 0. So these are the two cases which we have to consider. And now, which means that our f of x can be x, which is just in this one, plus x, and this is when we have x greater or equal to 0, which would be 2x for this condition. Or it can be x minus x when x is less than 0, which is just 0. So these are two functions which we have to now consider. So coming to the Cartesian plane, you're going to have our x-axis as well as the y-axis. And 0 is our point of interest. To the left of 0, or for x less than 0, our function is 0. So it will just be a line there on the x-axis. So the y is 0, where everything is 0. Then to the right of 0, which is for x greater or equal to 0, we have 2x. And 2x is a straight line which has a gradient of 2. And a c of 0, which means it cuts at the origin. So it's just a straight line which looks like this. And you can just indicate its gradient by doing something like this. So at 1, at an x value of 1, it will have a y value of 2.